Are you tired of the constant hassle of having to hand water your hanging baskets? Today, I'm going to show you how to use drip irrigation to effectively, efficiently, and even automatically hand water your hanging baskets so you never have to do it again. The hardest part of drip irrigation is getting all the right components. Drip Depot irrigation kits were made to solve that exact problem. Drip Depot kits come with everything needed to create a complete system. Just find a hanging basket kit that matches your garden's needs. Assemble it and never hand water for hours ever again. To find the right kit for your garden, click the link in the top right or description below and explore our selection. Now, here's how to install your hanging basket system. First, attach the vacuum breaker, filter, and pressure regulator to your garden hose or spigot. If you have a timer to automate your system, you can place it before the vacuum breaker. These parts thread on just like a normal garden hose. Next, connect the tubing adapter to the pressure regulator and insert your 1/2 inch poly tubing into the adapter. This is a lock style fitting, so all you have to do is retract the locking nut, push the tubing on over the barb. It makes it easier to get on if you wiggle the tubing back and forth like this. Then turn the locking nut to secure your tubing to the barb. A quick tip here if you're having any difficulty getting the mainline tubing on over the barb of your hose by tubing adapter is to dip the end of it in very hot water for a few moments. But this will soften up the tubing considerably and make it significantly easier to put it on over the barb. We're going to run our mainline tubing from the spigot over to the structure where our hanging baskets are at. Our large kit comes with a 1/2 inch T that you can use to branch off to a different direction. To get your tubing up to your hanging baskets at the base of your structure, to cut the tubing, install an elbow to get our tubing going vertically up the structure. As it travels up the structure, we'll secure it in place with tubing clamps with nails. Then at the top, we'll use another elbow to get our tubing to travel across the top of the hanging baskets. Once there, we can use our 1/4 inch punch to punch the holes directly above the baskets. Once we've poked holes in our mainline tubing, we can insert our rigid risers. To do this, simply insert the barb at the end of each riser into your poly tubing. Now it's time to cut our risers to length. There's no one specific length to cut them to, as it can depend on several factors, such as the size of your basket or the growing medium that you're using. For us, we're going to cut it about 4 to 6 inches above the basket. We're using a dripper with an umbrella pattern, so if we go too high, it might evaporate or spray out of the basket. If we go too low, it might just cover the middle of the basket. We won't have good coverage. With those installed, now we'll add an adjustable dripper to each riser. Simply push them into the end of the rigid riser, and while doing so, screw them in. The thread will bite into the rubber and make a tight fit. And now we're ready for our first watering cycle. These sprayers can spray in a 360-degree pattern, and they can be adjusted from completely off all the way to the size of your basket. Hanging baskets tend to be fast draining, so we want to deliver quite a bit of water. Hanging baskets have different watering needs than your other systems, and we recommend you keep it on a separate zone. Now let's talk more about basket drainage. As you can see and hear, hanging baskets are pretty fast draining. That, coupled with how little soil goes into them, means they can be depleted of nutrients pretty quickly. If you'd like to learn how to automatically inject nutrients into your irrigation system, check out our video there in the top right that covers an easy-to-use fertilizer injector. The original concept for our hanging basket kits came from master gardeners who needed an effective and efficient way to water many hanging baskets, and they're designed in such a way to ensure that they come with everything needed to make a complete irrigation system. If you'd like to check out our Drip Depot kits for hanging baskets, you can find them right there.